Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients. You will need a small pizza crust, your favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures a crispy crust. Remember to keep your toppings light to allow for even cooking and a perfectly melted cheese layer. Now let's assemble your pizza. Lightly oil your air fryer basket or use a piece of parchment paper cut to fit. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easier. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the crust, leaving a small border. Then, add about 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and your chosen toppings. Don't overload it. It's time to cook. Carefully place your assembled pizza into the preheated air fryer basket. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to check on it halfway through to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. Your pizza is ready when the cheese is bubbly and melted, and the crust is a beautiful golden brown. Enjoy your quick meal. Once cooked, carefully remove your delicious pizza from the air fryer. It will be hot, so use tongs or a spatula. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing and serving. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For more kitchen hacks and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.